Guess what? Apple just dropped the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro, and they are packed with some jaw-dropping features. Curious? Let's dive in. First up, the display. The iPhone 16 boasts a stunning 6.1-inch OLED screen, while the 16 Pro takes it up a notch with a 6.7-inch promotion display. That means buttery smooth scrolling and vibrant colors like never before. Now let's talk performance. Both models are powered by the A18 Bionic chip. It's faster, more efficient, and perfect for gaming, multitasking, and everything in between. Camera enthusiasts rejoice. The iPhone 16 comes with a dual camera system featuring a 48MP main sensor. But the 16 Pro? It steps up the game with a triple camera setup and an improved night mode. Say goodbye to blurry low-light photos. Battery life is also impressive. You can expect up to 20 hours of video playback on the iPhone 16 and a whopping 25 hours on the 16 Pro. No more battery anxiety. And let's not forget the new Dynamic Island. It's more interactive and useful than ever, making multitasking a breeze. So, are you excited about the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro? Drop a comment below with your favorite feature.